What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Super Saiyan Trunks. Okay, so today is another never seen video and today we'll be drawing Trunks from the end of Dragon Ball Z. As you can see, we have two versions of him. We have him fighting with Goten on some grass and we have him on the tournament. So basically I'm gonna do a combination of these two outfits and we'll make him into a Super Saiyan, of course. So without further ado, let's get started.
Alright, here goes!
As you can see, this time I started with a circle. I'm drawing the shape of Trunks' face, marking the midpoint of his face and then just adding all the details. This is not a step-by-step tutorial, but if this video will get 3000 likes, I will be sure to make a step-by-step tutorial for you all, so make sure to click the thumbs up button right now. Once I'm done with the face, I'm gonna draw the torso and his legs, and I'll do that simply by using geometrical shapes first, and only then I will add all the necessary details. Because first I want to get the overall shape, I want to get the right proportions, and only then I will add the details, and it will be much easier like that. As you can see, I chose a powering up pose. For the hand, you can see that I used the same method. I started with geometrical shapes for the hand, the knuckles and the fingers, and only then I added all the details. Once we are done with the sketching, we'll use some inking pens. I'm gonna use 0.2 for the entire body, but for the facial features I'm gonna use 0.05. That's the size of the black pen's tip, and because it's much smaller it will help me be more accurate on the small details. And now it's time for the coloring process. So if you know my channel, you know that I like to blend the colors. Usually I'm gonna use 3 colors for each object and I'm gonna blend them all together. I'll use the brightest tone to blend the mid-tone and I'll use the mid-tone to blend the darkest tone. So gradually I'll just add more layers until I'm satisfied with the result. As you can see, for this drawing the light source will come from both directions because I want to add an amazing looking aura at the end. And of course I'm going to color in the direction of the shape. You know it by now. For the skin tones, I chose warm colors just because of the aura later on. And once we are done, it's about time to add the aura. So for that, I'm gonna use a yellow pencil, a yellow color pencil, and just draw a lot of lines right next to each other in the form of a spike. After that, I'm gonna use some colored pastels and I'm gonna smear them on a piece of paper, and then I'll take my hand, my finger to be more accurate, and I'm just gonna smear it all over the aura. Make sure to spread the colored pastels equally, don't left out any area until you get a very strong color. Next, I'm gonna clean the environment and I'll use the color pencil again to make the edges of the aura more strong.
And now make sure to lower the volume just a bit.
And we are done! Everybody. So this is how you draw Super Saiyan Trunks from the end of Dragon Ball Z. Please let me know what you think about the final result. Personally, I would really love to see Trunks like that in Dragon Ball Super, but I don't think it will happen anytime soon. And this is why it's called Never Seen. So I hope you guys and girls enjoyed this video. Please let me know what would you like me to draw next, a never seen character, a never seen transformation. Hit me up in the comment section. And if you want a tutorial, a step-by-step tutorial for this video, like this video, share it with your friends, and if we'll reach 3,000 likes, I'm gonna make it happen. That's it, I appreciate all of your support. Keep being awesome as always, I mean it. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.